welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Late Mario Miranda posthumously conferred the Padma Vibhushan. To an origin author Dr. Jose Pereira conferred the Padma Vibhushan. DIG Ravindra Yadav bags President's Police Medal. Liquor Traders Association to shut down trade from Republic Day. Shut down as protest against harassment by excise officials. No political speeches, no assurances on Republic Day. Election Commission orders CM and other ministers. Speeches only on Indian freedom. BJP confident of getting Shri Padnaik's support for assembly poll, says will convince Naik's angry workers to support the party. Alliance talks with MGP positive. Sports policy in murky waters. Goa Board and Sports Department are yet to thresh out agreement on amendments. Prudent learns. And St. Xavier's Girl, Mapsa and Chocolate College Boys of Madgaon crowned varsity hockey champions. And now the news in detail. Cartoonist late Mario Miranda has been posthumously conferred the Padma Vibhushan in the field of art. Also, author and educationist of Goan origin Dr. Jose Pereira, who resides in USA, has been conferred the Padma Bhushan in the field of literature and education. Meanwhile, DIG Ravindra Singh Yadav has been awarded the President's Police Medal for meritorious service.
It is indeed a proud moment for all Goans. Eminent cartoonist Mario Miranda has been posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan in the field of art. Also, another person of Goan origin, Dr. Jose Pereira, has been awarded the Padma Bhushan in the field of literature and education. The list of Padma Vibhushan awardees for this year are late Mario de Miranda, K.G. Subramaniam, late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Dr. Kantilal Hastimal Sancheti, T.V. Rajeshwar. Actors Shabana Azmi and Dharmendra, film director Meera Nair and renowned cardiologist Devi Prasad Shetty have been awarded with Padma Bhushan on the eve of Republic Day. President Pratibha Patil has approved 109 awards, including 1 duo case and 14 in the category of foreigners or non-resident Indians or persons of Indian origin or posthumous. These comprise 5 Padma Vibhushan, 27 Padma Bhushan and 77 Padma Shri awards. There are 19 women among the awardees. Also, Deputy Inspector General of Police Ravindra Yadav has also been awarded the President's Police Medal for meritorious service. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The Goa Liquor Traders Association has decided to shut down trade from 26 January till election. The traders say they are protesting against the harassment meted out by the Excise Department. The association has about 150 registered members all over the state. It seems the strict monitoring by Excise Department has irked the Liquor Traders Association. They have decided to shut down the liquor trade from 26 January till election in protest of what they term as harassment by the Excise Department. However, the shutdown is voluntary to all the traders.
They're going for a total shutdown from tomorrow. Till elections. Harassment by excise, harassment by this thing, the flying squad. Customers जर सोरो अपलोडून व्हरता परचेस करता आमचे कडल्यान तांकां सुद्दां जर धरून तुमी आमचेर एफआयआर करूंक लागले जाल्यार हाव यू वॉन्ट अस टू कॅरी ऑन द ट्रेड. ओके आतां बॅच नंबर बाटल्यांचेर जर बॅच नंबर आनी एमआरपी सारकी ना जाल्यार केसीस आर बीइंग बुक्ड ऑन अस. When the stock is coming out from the factory, there is an excise inspector who inspects that stock. There is no case booked on that excise inspector. Case is always booked on the wine shop owners. How are we responsible for what the product is manufactured? The excise inspector ajar kirak book karna, factory cher kirak book karna cases. So it is impossible to carry on with the trade this way.
Our reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media. Chief Minister and ministers can only hoist the flag on Republic Day. No political speeches, no assurances. This guideline have come from Election Commission. Commission says that politicians can only speak on India's freedom struggle. They are receiving objection over CM hoisting the flag on Republic Day. Election Commission has made it clear that Chief Minister and other ministers cannot give any political speeches during Republic Day celebration in the state. They cannot give any assurances on this day. Out of 168 cases of violation of Code of Conduct, 150 are disposed, 18 are still pending. One of the complaints has come against the NRI Commissioner.
Collect 10 to be a government.
Yes.
What about Faleru? What about Faleru?
Yes. So, say, all what is given, all the perquisites which have been provided to him by the government will have to be withdrawn. No, from the day he is involved in the politics now.
New voters can enroll themselves by 3rd of February.
Those names which are received up to 3rd of February will be processed up to 13th of February, and thereafter they will be given cards so that they can vote on 3rd of March.
On the other side, Goicha Rakhandaracho Ekvot wants to file candidates under the banner of Goa Suraj Party. Both the parties, Goa Suraj Party and Goa Vikas Party, are fighting for the same symbol. Both want symbol of 2 candles.
3 days before the filing of nominations, they have to indicate what symbol they want to use. That is why we have made this letter and reserved the symbol for Goa Suraj Party as 2 candles, because we have already used that. And we said a great damage will be done to our image if this is given, and GVP is just a new starter.
Meanwhile, Excise Department has conducted a raid at Barnavali and Thivi. Liquor worth around 1,50,000 rupees is seized.
These liquor goods has been attached from the fast food premises, the name and style Peppers and Spice at Banaulim, belonging to one Mr. Onofer Gomes Pereira, from as well as from his residence also.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.